and today I will explain to you what is linear algebra. Linear algebra is a field of mathematics that studies a system involving linear relationship. It focuses on concepts like vectors, which are quantity with both direction and magnitude, with matrices, which are rectangular arrays of numbers used to represent and solve system equations. The subject deals with operations such as adding vectors, multiplying matrix spaces. Linear algebra helps us understand how to solve multiple equations at once, how to rotate or scale objects in space, and how to model real-world systems in physics, computer science, economy, and engineering. Next, in linear algebra, we will learn about Gaussian elimination method. Gaussian elimination is a step-by-step method used to solve system of linear equation. It works by transforming the system equation into a simpler form using basic operation. The goal is to rewrite the system as an upper triangular matrix where all the numbers below the main diagonal are zeros. This will be done through three types of row operation: swap into row, multiplying a row by a non-zero number, and last, adding or subtracting a multiple of one row to another row. Next, introduction to a case study. This case study focuses on a real-life scenario involving a small local business, a food store, or a convenience shop known as kedai runcit. The business sells three main products: nasi lemak, kuih, and grocery. The shop owner knows the total daily sale amount but wants to determine the exact quantity sold for each item over a few days. Gaussian elimination is used to solve the system of equation based on the given data.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Danish bin Muhammad Kamri and I'm going to continue about the problem statement. In small retail operations such as a kedai runcit, local convenience shop, business owner often link the infrastructure or resources to implement advanced inventory or sales tracking system. The owner typically record only the total daily revenue without detailing how many units of each product were sold. This lack of itemized data creates several challenges. Specifically, the owner cannot determine which items are performing best in terms of quantity sold. There is no way to monitor overstocking or understocking trends. Purchasing decision cannot be made effectively without knowing sales volume per product. Seasonal demand pattern or customer preference are difficult to identify without quantitative data. This scenario presents an ideal opportunity to apply mathematical method to bridge the gap between raw revenue data and actionable business insight. By treating the unknown quantities of each product as variable in a system of equation, we can apply Gaussian elimination to reverse engineering the number of items sold, giving the business a clearer view of its daily operation. Next is purpose of study. The main purpose of this study is to demonstrate how mathematical tools from linear algebra, specifically Gaussian elimination, can be applied to solve practical real-life problems in small-scale business environment. In this case, we aim to determine the daily quantity sold for three main products: nasi lemak, kuih, and grocery, based solely on total revenue data. This study also aims to illustrate how a system of linear equation can be formed using product price and total sales data. Apply row operation to solve the system systematically using Gaussian elimination. Provide a method that can be adapted by other small business facing similar data challenge. Encourage the adoption of simple mathematical techniques for better business decision making, especially in resource-limited settings. By translating a real-world problem into a mathematical model, we hope to highlight the relevance of linear algebra beyond the classroom and into the domain of everyday business analysis.
Hello and hi, my name is Muhammad Faiz Amar bin Roshan, and now I will continue our discussion with a methodology. First, in the methodology, we need to define the price for the three products for 3 days. So we can see each price for the item for every 3 days. After that, we need to record a total sales. So the first day, we got total 100 ringgit. The second day, we got total 120 ringgit. And for the third day, we got total 90 ringgit. let's assume each day has a different combination of product sales based from a system of 3 linear equations. Then, apply Gaussian elimination to solve for 3 unknown variables. Now, let's go to the problem solution. Let's variable x be unit of nasi lemak, let's variable y be units of kuih, and variable z be units of drinks. So, let's convert this information to the linear equation. And finally, it will 2x plus y plus 2z equal 100 for the first equation, 3x plus 2y plus z equal 120 for second equation, and third equation is x plus 2y plus 2z equal 90. To solve the given system of equations using Gaussian elimination, we first express the system as an argumental matrix. Our goal was to simplify the matrix to row echelon form through a series of row operations. We began by dividing the first row by 2 to create a leading one. Then we use this, the new row 1, to eliminate the value below the leading one in the first column. This allows us to simplify rows 2 and 3 accordingly. Next, we focus on the row 2 and make its leading coefficient a 1 by dividing the entire row by 0.5. Using this row, we eliminated the corresponding entry in row 3 and adjust row 1 to maintain consistency. This process results in a matrix where each pivot column has 0 below and above the leading ones. Lastly, we simplify row 3 by dividing 3 by 7, making the final pivot value a leading one. With the matrix in a row echelon form, we proceed to back substitution. Starting from the third row, we found that z equal 130 divided by 7. Substituting this value into the second row equation, we calculate then got y equal 100 divided by 7. Then using both value in the first row, we found value of x equal 170 divided by 7. Lastly, we got nasi lemak equals 24.29 ringgit. Kuih equal 40.29 ringgit and box drink equal 18.57 ringgit.
Study result. Using Gaussian elimination, we successfully determined the number of individual products sold by the kedai runcit over a 3-day period. Based on the provided equation and total sale data, the system of linear equation was solved to find that x equal to 20 unit of nasi lemak, y equal to 30 unit of kuih, and z equal to 20 unit of box and drink. This result revealed the actual breakdown of items sold without needing a digital sales system or receipt. The method offers simple yet powerful approach to inventory analysis, help the business owner understand which item contribute most to daily revenue.
Conclusion. This case study reveals how powerful mathematical technique like Gaussian elimination can be utilized to support decision making in even the smallest of businesses. While often perceived as abstract or purely theoretical, linear algebra provides a structured and reliable to uncover value insight from minimal data. In the context of kedai runcit, Gaussian elimination enables us to determine how many units of each product will sell based on total revenue, translate visual sales information into precise and actionable metrics, show that even without advanced software or point of sale system, business owner can use mathematics to analyze performance. Ultimately, this study reinforced the practical utility of linear algebra, whether in engineering, science, or small-scale entrepreneurship. Mathematical problem solving can provide clarity, structure, and insight, empowering individuals to make better informed decisions. As we move into a more data-driven world, such foundational tools will become even more essential, regardless of the scale of the business. Thank you.